and welcome back to my channel. I am bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. It turned out to be an awesome haul. I went a little crazy on shampoo and conditioner, which I was so excited for because I have like zilch zilch zero in my stockpile because I got rid of it all, and I'm so happy I got to build that. So I got a really good deal, and hopefully you guys have these. It's funny, I went to the register. I always go to the same cashier every single Sunday. She loves to see how much I actually pay out of pocket. Like everything that I got before I turned my card in came to $165. Yeah. But, yeah, so she's like, oh, so how many coupons do you have? And I didn't hardly have any. I only had a couple, and then I had a ton of register rewards from last week. And I was able to use those register rewards because I actually got products for, I got products that didn't have a coupon. Plus, I also had products that if you buy a coupon, if you have a coupon that, like, says $2 off of two or something, that's considered one coupon. So you guys can actually use a register reward. So, just letting you guys know on that. So, let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I got. I love it. I love it. So, the first deal I ended up getting is the Kotex tampons. Now, these are the bigger box. So, this is 34 pack. Now they can get it in different kinds also, but this was $8.99 for this. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can clip to your card. You guys would end up paying $6.99 for this, but then you guys will end up getting a $3 registry reward that prints out, making this just $3.99, which could be a pretty good deal. Usually the little ones we get, but for this, I think this is a pretty good deal, so I wanted to share with you guys on that. I used a lot of digital coupons, so just letting you guys know with that. I ended up getting more of the Purex crystals. These were $1.99. You guys would pay $3.98 for these, but then you guys will can submit a $1 off of two rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $2.98, and that is the reason why I got it, because I think February is going to be an awesome month for Ibotta. If you guys don't have Ibotta, I have a referral link below. You guys join. Once you redeem so much money, you guys end up getting $10 free money, and I am hoping July is a great month for Ibotta, so I'm already starting it with a bang. But, yes, and these also qualify for my Purex crystals or Purex brand on Saving Star. I just need to spend $25 and I get $5 back. So I ended up doing the crystals deal to share with you guys on that. I ended up doing the Febreze deals. Now, I always have a lot of the aerosol sprays, but I like getting these because these are the same price, and sometimes these cost more than the aerosol sprays, but I like these no matter what. So, these were 2 for $6. You guys want to use that buy one, get one free coupon. You guys would end up getting these for $3 for both of them, or just $1.50 a piece, which is a pretty good deal. So, I had to share with you guys on that. Now, I did the plates deal again because I never submitted my receipt. Sometimes I forget I have to submit my receipt. So I did the plates deal again, and I still couldn't pass it up even without the rebate deal. So these were $3.59. You guys want to use their buy one, get one free coupon. You guys want to use that $1 off of two coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would end up paying $2.59 for both of these, which is still a really good deal. But then you guys can submit, if you haven't already, that $1 off of two rebate on Saving Star, making the final price for these just $1.59. So I would say go for it if you guys have that deal. Even without the Saving Star deal, it is still a really good deal. I just got one of these because I just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you are brand loyal. The Arm & Hammer deodorant is on sale for 99 cents. You guys would just pay 99 cents for this. So if you guys need that, you guys can use this as a filler item. Now there's more stuff. I also got these Oreo bars. These were 69 cents on sale this week, but then in the Walgreens booklet there's a $1 off of 2, so you guys would end up getting both of these for just 38 cents. So that's like, I don't know how much it is, but I love the mint. I love the mint Oreo bars better than the regular, so I had to get these because I just wanted to. Now you guys can get as many as you want. As many as you guys want. You just make sure you have them in increments of 2, and then you just need to have them scan the book once. So just letting you guys know on that. So I had to do that deal because I love the Oreo mints. Now, let's go crazy with the shampoo and conditioner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the breakdowns of what each one is, and then I'm going to show you guys a better deal. I'm not going to write that deal down, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. It's just too much to write. But yes, so pretty much the Pantene Pro V is buy one, get one 50% off, okay? So you guys want to buy 3 of them. Okay, these are $4.79. You guys use that 5 off of 3 coupon that we just got in today's paper. You guys would just pay $6.97 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get 3,000 points when you buy 3. And yes, you guys can pay with points. You guys would get all 3 of them for $3.97 or $1.32. So if you guys are brand loyal, that could be a good deal for that. I ended up doing the Head & Shoulders deal. Now, I had 2 different digital coupons. I had an 8 off of 2 and I had a 4 off of 2. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do both of them because I feel like it is a better deal and you get 3,000 points. So these were $7.49. It was buy one, get one 50% off. I used an 8 off of 2 digital coupon and I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Or you guys can also use the $4 off of 2 coupon that was in the P&G. You guys would end up paying $10.47 for all 4 of them. What is the 4th one? Here it is. You guys would pay $10.47 for all 4 of these. Plus you guys will get 3,000 points, which comes out to be $7.47 or just $2.49 a piece, which could be an okay deal, okay? Then what I ended up doing is, my paper got wet. I ended up doing the Herbal Essence deal, and I'm pretty excited to share with you guys on this. So my Herbal Essence, again, was buy one, get one 50% off. I had a digital coupon for $8 off of 3. So I ended up doing that deal. So $6.99 a piece. You guys use that 8 off of 3 coupon. You guys would pay $9.47 for all 3 of these. But then you guys also get 3,000 points, making it $6.47 for, no, 4 of them. I don't know. 3 of them, I don't know. I think it was $6.47 for all 3 of them. That comes out to $2.15 a piece. So, now what I ended up doing is I was like, okay, let's figure this out and see what is a better deal. So I ended up getting 3 Pantene. So that's 3,000 points with the 3 Pantene. I got 3 Herbal Essence. So that's 3,000 points with the Herbal Essence. I got 3 Head and Shoulders. So again, that's 3,000 points for the Head and Shoulders. But then I have 2 more Head and Shoulders, and I have, or 2 more Herbal Essences and 1 more Head and Shoulders. So that's another 3,000 points. So buying 12 bottles of those, I ended up getting 12,000 points. So let me break this down for you guys. I am not writing this down. You guys have to use this in your head. So I ended up buying the 3 Pantene Pro V. So 3 of them, or 2, one of them was $4.79 and the other one was $2.39. Now since all the shampoo is on the same deal, I ended up getting the second bottle for $2.39 because they always take the lowest one that you get for 50% off, okay? I got 4 Head and Shoulders. So one was $7.49, the other one was $3.74. That comes out to be $11.23. You guys times that by 2. And then I ended up getting 5 of the Herbal Essence. These were $6.99 and $3.99. Now, 2 of them were $6.99 and 2 of them were $3.49. But then the one odd one ended up being $6.99 and the Pantene ended up being $2.39. So I'm not trying to confuse you, but since this one costs more, this one you pay for and this one you pay less for. So they all kind of just mix in with each other. So all together, those come out to be $59.98. So right there, you guys hit beauty if you guys do that deal. 12 bottles for $59.98. I don't know if that is a good deal or not, but I ended up using the 5 off of 3 Pantene. I used the 8 off of 2 Head and Shoulders. I used the 8 off of 3 Herbal Essence. I used the 4 off of 2 Head and Shoulders, and I used a 4 off of 2 Herbal Essence. So after that, it comes to $30.98, okay? You ended up getting 12,000 worth of points, which is like $12 worth of points. So that came out to be $18.98 for all of those, which could be a pretty decent deal. So everything comes out to be just $1.58. Now, I know a lot of you guys, your stores are having problems with coupons, so I'm trying to show you guys a little bit more of a digital deal. So I think that is a great deal. But yes, that was my haul. I hope I didn't confuse you too much, but I ended up getting some stuff that I was pretty excited for, especially the shampoo and especially the Head and Shoulders. Graham loves this stuff and I never get to coupon for it. So my total came to $27.31. Now please keep in mind I did use a lot of registry rewards that I got from last week. I ended up getting $29 worth of points. I got 27,000 points. 12,000 was because of the shampoos and conditioners. I had a $5,000 Catalina. I also hit beauty twice, and then yeah. So I ended up getting $29 back worth of points. I ended up getting that $3 registry reward for the Kotex. I will be getting $1 back from Savings Star, and I also just received $1 back with Ibotta. If you guys add everything up, it came to $6.69. Moneymaker! I got everything absolutely for free. So yeah, so if you guys buy that shampoo, you guys will end up getting, you know, yeah, you guys pay $18.98, but then you guys get 5,000 points for beauty, so that comes out even cheaper. So letting you guys know with that deal, I hope I didn't confuse you, but just need to buy 4 Head and Shoulders if you guys have those digital coupons, 3 Pantenes, and 5 Herbal Essences. So just want you guys know on that, but I was pretty excited I finally am getting shampoo and conditioner. That is something I've been slacking for a while, but yeah. So that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Another thing I want to mention is the t-shirts. I don't have my t-shirt on because I had to work today, but the t-shirts I made a video of showing you guys those t-shirts, those coupon added t-shirts. You guys have until July 10th to get those shirts. They are $13.99 for the regular t-shirts and tank top. So if you guys are interested in doing that, go for it. I am pretty excited. I'm going to probably order 2 t-shirts and a hoodie. So I'm pretty excited for that. So make sure you guys definitely check those out so we could all be cool. And then also, whoever buys a shirt, I want you guys to send me a picture because I'm going to make a little video collage of everybody wearing their shirt. So it's going to be super cool for that. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Walgreens hauls, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye!